Happy holidays, everyone! So last year I started my YouTube channel and I did not do a video about decorating my tiny house because I had no room to put the decorations, so I sold all of my decorations. This included 3 big bins of Halloween and Samhain decorations, Christmas Yule decorations, and Thanksgiving decorations. But ever since getting my shed, I have made the excuse again to start decorating my house for the holidays, but it's actually going to be a lot simpler. So because I live in a tiny house now, that shed right there is going to be able to store, and I'm gonna say 1 bin of all of them. I got lights and keeping it a rustic holiday. So a lot of my decorations are going to be animals, nature, trees, and stuff like that, and then lights. All right, we are going to start with the decorations that I got. I got about 6 sets of lights. There's a little bit of ornaments and stuff in there, and then I got some swags in there. I also got a mini tree that's hiding behind here that we will take out pretty soon. Okay, but the first thing I'm gonna do is take out all of these lights from these packages. I think we're working with 100 each. I chose soft lights. I am really hoping that the cats aren't going to eat these lights. We're just gonna have to figure out how to fix it if they do. All right, now that we have all 6 lights ready, my main focus is going to be on the catwalk and probably the stairs to the catwalk, and probably drape it around. I don't need to use nails or tape or anything. Okay, I am going to actually start in my room because I tried starting in the cat loft and I realized there is nowhere to plug in the lights. So I am going to use that outlet right there to plug in the lights, at least one corner of them. And then what I'm gonna do is start in my room at the stairs and then go all the way around and then go down the stairs and end up in the office because I have one of these things called air soap, and that's in the cat's loft. I'm gonna start on the railing and we're gonna end up downstairs in the business office. Boom, we have more lights. So I'm gonna actually bring these back up the other way. All right, this is hard. I'm gonna use some tape. We ran out again, so I need another thing. They work! Usually holiday lights are very finicky, especially after you've had them for a while. They're like pain in the ass. Okay, so far so good, except the only thing that happened, I went down this way, rolled back up this way, came this way, and then I was gonna go down here to do this all the way across, which I still want to. However, I ran out of lights. That one right there does not work, so I have to go to the store and get at least 1 or 2 more strands of light. So then I'm gonna put that the rest of the way right here so that it can connect back to where it plugs in over there. All right guys, so I finished putting up the lights and I still have to wait for the next one. So right now I'm going to put up my new swags. I got 12 of these swags on Amazon. I'll put the link to this product in the description below. And I just spent time fluffing them. So I've been taking off tags and making them straight. They're about 18 inches. My goal is to put them in between, or actually on the catwalk. So I'm gonna start up there. So I'm gonna bring about 4 or 5 with me, and I'm gonna go up here. Hi, Whisper. Whisper. This might not work, you guys. I'm wrapping some of the longer branches around the catwalk branches so that it secures it in place. I don't want to use much tape because if I use tape, the cats, first of all, lick the tape, so I don't want to do that. And second of all, the cats will take the tape off and the stuff starts dangling, so I don't want any of that messed with. So I'm going to continue over here. Whisper? These cats are they're gonna be crazy this holiday. It's their first holiday, so kind of gotta expect it. That looks really cool, I think. I didn't even expect that to happen, but it did. Let's see what design I can work right here. Maybe I should decorate tiny houses for the holidays. Whisper! Alright, here's where we have to get creative in a tiny house. I am hanging off of my ladder right now, and I need to get to that next big thing. I'm gonna step up here, stand on this thing right here to try to do this. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that is the last of the swag. Now, I purposely got all rustic to match the style and decor of my house. Hello, Shadow. Come on! What are you doing? What are you doing? So, I need to set up my tree really quick. I'm going to set it up right here. I've been hiding it behind here because of the cats. I'm just going to fluff these up because that's basically all this tree is. Probably won't put any ornaments on it just because I bet you anything it'll get knocked down by the cats. And it's snowing. I'm going to have to vacuum that up. So all of my ornaments are down here and they're set up. Let's just try putting one. Always moving things in a tiny house. All right, let's see how this is gonna work. That looks cute. Hell yeah. Look at that. Hanging from the light. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one over here. Nice. So now we have 2 more critters to go. Cute. That's so cute, I love it. So I think I'm gonna put the rest of the little ones I'd probably put on the tree, hoping that it doesn't get knocked down by my cats. Okay. I set these up over here for Rocky and Romeo. Hello. I will probably have to get 2 more for Whisper and Shadow. And then these 2 I got from Hobby Lobby, so I painted these a long time ago for Rocky and Romeo. These were the only things I had for the holidays before I got all of this. Alright guys, the next thing and probably the last thing that we're going to do is I'm going to set this little area up. I've got candles that I have in my bathroom, so I'm going to go get those and then pretty much take down this, and then I'm going to take this down. Then I'm going to probably put this up here. I have a little piece of swag to put up there. I have all of these things here, so I'm going to take all of these and we're going to use it for our little setup. Alright, so I just set these candles up that I had in my bathroom here. I'm going to put this little guy here. I think I like this tiny dreamer back here. I was kind of odded out by the teal in here. I didn't want the teal in there, but I mean, I'm kind of covering it up. I also have this, so I'm going to use it for my little setup here. Matches all the wood. It kind of looks like a little village here. And then in the end, I'm going to put tea lights in these and we're going to light them up and turn off all the lights and you're going to see Happy Holidays in Tiny Dreamer. I have these last two things. There's not really anywhere to hang them. I don't really want to take anything down. The last time, like in my apartment, what I would do is completely take off everything off my shelves and everything would turn holidays. All of the crystals would come off, all of everything on the walls would come off. This time, nothing's coming off the walls. I'm just gonna add them. I'm gonna put this up here. So that'll be cute. And then next, I'm gonna just hang this one up here on my dream catcher, probably at the top. And there you have it. It's pretty much decorated now for the holidays. Basically, we are done decorating my tiny house for the holidays, and I'm gonna do a quick cleanup right here with my candy bag. I'm gonna set the candles up in here, and then we're going to turn off all the lights and see what it looks like in the dark. Wow guys, so how was that? I think that I did a pretty good job decorating my tiny house for the first time. I did not know how much I was going to need. I didn't even know where I was gonna put most of my decorations. My idea was to decorate the entire tiny house on the inside, including lining the entire ceiling. When I started on the catwalk, it just didn't seem like I was gonna have enough. So all in all, I think the catwalk just being decorated and this window and the ladder, I think that all pulls it together. And if you guys don't have a catwalk in your tiny house, I'm sure you can utilize some of the walls and be creative and use the stairs or your refrigerator or doorways. If you don't have enough space inside your house to decorate, you can always decorate on the outside of the house. I would say keep it minimal, because in my apartment I had tons and tons of decorations like you guys saw throughout the video. It was crazy, so I did not want to purchase all that stuff this year. 6-7 sets of lights, maybe 10 ornaments and a fake tree and a couple little signs to hang up on the wall, and I think that's just great. I think that in all the following years I'm just going to do the same decoration. I'm not going to add to it. Whatever you guys celebrate, I hope you guys have happy holidays. I hope you guys decorate in your tiny houses. If you guys like my channel and my videos, please subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video. Happy holidays. Alright guys, remember in, I forget which video it was, but, oh, I didn't even do it yet, so you don't even know about that. Oh my god! These are crazy cats. Yeah, I love that. She's gotta go. 2, 3, no, 1. 1, 2. Oh no! Cats! Oh my god! Yep, gonna need tape.